The first thing that we would like to tell you is what is in the box that the end user will receive. It's a white box filled with a kit that contains the following items. The device as pictured here: charger, power cord, belt clip, lanyard clip, quick start guide, and user guide. Please note that the guides are not usually in the box but accompany it. Here's a look at the specifications. The device comes with a wide area cellular connectivity. We use 3G WC DMA quad band 850, 900, 1800, and 1900 MHz simultaneous voice and data. Our provider is AT&T. The device has automatic fall detection sensors, which are primary and secondary accelerometers, magnetometers, and gyroscopes. It also comes with fall detection analysis, which includes fall detection methods based on proprietary algorithms. It comes with GPS and telco location-based services. It has a two-way audio with a full duplex speakerphone, which covers up to 1 meter away from the device. It also has the ability to perform manual alerts. The mechanical touch button activates simultaneous data transmission to the call center and establishes a voice call. Its local area connectivity includes a Bluetooth EDR 2.1. Environmentally speaking, it's highly water resistant, designed to be worn in the shower or bath. It's also shadow resistant from up to 2 meters. It's operational at temperatures from -15 degrees Celsius to 45 degrees Celsius. This device has up to 36 hours of battery life, but that may vary depending on the device's activity level. We always recommend that the device is charged every night. The dimensions are 66 by 40 by 19 millimeters, and it weighs 19 grams without the clip, which means that it is small and lightweight. The device can be worn on a lanyard or belt and is available in charcoal gray and off-white. What you now see on screen are some of the features of the device that you need to be familiar with. One is a cellular indicator. At the top of the device, it shows the cellular signal strength. 2 is the battery indicator, which surrounds the call button. This shows the battery status. 3, the call button. At the center of the device initiates a two-way call to your response team when pushed. 4 is the speaker, which allows you to hear the response team. 5, the microphone at the bottom of the device allows the response team to hear the user. 6, if you turn the device over, you have the clip lock, which enables you to affix a belt clip or lanyard for carrying convenience. And 7 is the charging pins, which are right at the bottom to connect the device to the battery charger. There are 2 sets of indicator lights on the device: the battery indicator and the cellular indicator. The battery indicator is located on the center of the device, and it shows levels of battery charge. Green indicates that it is ready for use. Amber indicates low battery, but no action needed. Red indicates a very low battery, and the device needs to be charged right away. The cellular indicator, located at the top of the device, shows cellular signal strength. As mentioned before, we use AT&T as our network provider. Green indicates a strong signal, amber indicates a moderate signal, and red indicates no signal. The indicator lights will flash intermittently. The default is 30 seconds, but that may vary, to indicate the status. Now, getting started, these are the steps that your end user will take when they receive their devices. First, they insert the small end of the power cord into the charger and plug the large end into a wall outlet. They will then place the device in the charger. The device will automatically turn on and begin activation. You'll hear a series of messages as the device activates. And once activated, it will have voice prompts that will keep the user informed as to what it is doing throughout the process. For example, it'll say something like software download during the software download period. Once everything has been activated, the device will prompt the end user to contact their response team by pressing the call button. Next, you'll make a call to set up the device. We call this the setup call. With the device sitting in the charger, the user has to press and hold the call button. Then, your call center will answer and walk you through the customizing the device and completing the setup. This is basically just confirming your name, address, and making sure that everything else is set up on their side. Charge the device in the charger for a minimum of 4 hours. The device is not ready for use until you have completed a call with the monitoring center and charge the device for 4 hours. Now let's cover how you can turn the device on and off. You can turn on the device by first pressing and holding the call button until the battery indicator flashes. Listen for the message, "Your personal mobile responder is ready." If the device is turned off and it is placed in the charger, you will automatically turn it on. To turn off the device, press and hold the call button twice, holding the second press for 7 seconds or until you hear the message that prompts you to press the call button again for a third time. Press the button for the third time and you will receive a second message that says, "Powering off now, goodbye." The intention of the added step to turn off the device is to prevent accidental shutoff. We do recommend that this device is turned on at all times, unless you are getting onto a plane. Lastly, let's look at how to place a call manually and/or cancel a call. Buttons should be pressed for 0.7 seconds, which is less than 1 second. Listen to the audio message, "Calling your response team now." Please hold the device and position the microphone near your mouth to complete the call. You will hear a series of beeps and the operator will answer. Now, if the button has been pushed by mistake, you can cancel the call by pressing and holding the call button twice. Hold the second press for 7 seconds. You will hear this audio message, "Ending your call now." Another key to canceling a call is to do so very quickly, so the moment that the user unintentionally hears the voice prompt, "Calling your response team now," the user should cancel it. If you wait too long and the beeps start, you will most likely be unable to cancel the call because the call has reached the call center's log and it would be considered an answered call. At that point, it is definitely okay to let the operator know that the call was a mistake and simply hang up. That completes the features and functional section of this training.